Duterte protest. As if you didn't know, I get into I'm curious about politics all over the world, and it happens to be the Vice President of the Philippines is here, who is very controversial here in Melbourne, Australia. So we're just gonna check out the Vice President, see what she's going to say.
So, maraming salamat to our audience po. May we please, okay, isa po. Duterte! 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 Bring him home!
Sorry po, andito yung mic sa akin. Ganda umaga. Maraming salamat. Mahal ko kayo, kaya po ako nandito dahil Duterte! 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 I hope you can vote for me in the future. Yes. Dili barakatu, madayaw, umayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Unahin ko po muna ang aking mga pagpapasalamat dahil baka sa sobrang excitement natin, makalimutan ko po ang mga pagpapasalamat. Una po, ang pagpapasalamat natin sa Diyos. Dahil ibinigay niya ang araw na ito para sa ating lahat. Para sa kalayaan ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Maraming salamat po sa inyong dasal, araw-araw. Hindi lang dito sa Australia, sa buong mundo at lalong-lalo na sa Pilipinas. Napakarami po ng nagdadasal. Dahil sa inyo, magulo ang House of Representatives. Bakit daw ba ako nandito? Yun ang tanong nila lagi. Unang-una, wala po ako dito for the interim release. Pero nandito po ako dahil sa International Criminal Court at sa kaso ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. At dahil sa ating bayan. Dahil ang dami-dami nating, daghan kitang mulo, dami-dami nating reklamo, ang dami-dami nating gustong makita airbase at tinulak paakyat sa aeroplano, and he was too weak to run and resist what they were doing to him. Pareho tayo, ma'am. Noon, ma'am, masakit talaga nung nakikita ng court. And then they were supposed to present the diffusion notice. There was a diffusion notice from the ICC to the Interpol directly to the Philippine National Police. So, ang dapat nilang ginawa, oh, Rodrigo Duterte, you have a diffusion notice. Let's go to court. And then they should have presented it to the local court. Pero ang ginawa, ano ba ang ginawa? Yes. Forceful taking of a citizen from his country. Kidnap, if you want to use yung mga naiintindihan ng tao na na layman's terms. Pero it was called a rendition in international law. Hindi mo pwede kasi napansin niyo ba?
Was he feeling seeing in person the Vice President of the Philippines and potentially the next President of the Philippines in 2028, potentially. But yeah, you can hear her right now. She's talking about the whole illegal, what do you call it, detaining her dad, the former President Duterte. But yeah, if you haven't, like and subscribe. See you next time.